Hey y'all. Okay, so it is Vlogmas day, I'm not sure, and it has been a long day, and we're just not picking up the camera. Well, I'm just not picking up the camera, and it's 5 o'clock. Little Bear actually had a doctor's appointment this morning. He had his 2-year-old appointment, his wellness visit this morning, and he is doing so good. I kind of shared on IG stories a little bit also, but my baby, he just turned 2, of course, the week of Thanksgiving, which Vlogmas day 1 shows his little quarantine birthday. But anyways, we're super excited to continue to do Vlogmas. Like I said, we've had such a busy day today. Right after the doctor's appointment, like I literally dropped him off at school, booked it back to the house, because then I had back-to-backs until now. So Bear created a grocery cart. He still is in a meeting right now, so I am solo dolo on pickup duty right now, and I'm picking up the groceries. We're doing a grocery curbside. If you've been around for a little bit, you know that we usually use Shipt, which is like SHIPT grocery delivery service, and we just get our groceries delivered from HEB, which is our grocery store here in South Texas. We love HEB, but we pivoted now, and so instead of doing Shipt, there's nothing wrong with Shipt, it's dope, love it, we decided to start doing curbside pickup, because there's like a lot more options and things like that that pop up when you're grocery shopping directly through HEB. So picking that up now, and then I'm going to go pick up Papa's. But yeah, so we're gonna have to do like a little intro for y'all, because I feel like I just assume that y'all know who I am. That viewers know who I am, and that people that stumble upon my channel know who I am, and you know who Bear is. So I'm going to have to, we're gonna have to do like a little intro. Okay, so I'll tell y'all a little bit about me, and then of course, like when we're back with Bear, I'll have him share a little bit about himself as well, and we'll just do a little bit of an intro. My name is Britt. Full name is Brittany, but call me Britt. And I am not a full-time YouTuber by any means, but I am a full-time corporate professional by day, so I do have a full-time job. I work from home though, so I like to consider myself as like this hybrid stay-at-home mom, because like I do have a full-time job, but I can be at my child's school by like the drop of a dime. Like I have a lot of flexibility in my job, which I am forever grateful for. I've been doing YouTube since college, really, like since a little after college. I really just started it. I used to do like makeup, so I love makeup. I used to wear makeup all the time. I don't anymore, but I used to wear makeup all the time. And so my channel first started out like makeup, where I did like makeup looks and then hair looks, and then I've done like some fashion hauls and stuff like that. But what it comes most natural for me, which is like lifestyle content. So my home, me just being me, you know, like that is what comes most natural to me. So that's what I started doing. I started pivoting to that on my channel. And then of course I am married, so I'm married to my high school sweetheart. So Bear and I have been together since we were 14 and 15 years old, and so we basically have known each other our whole lives. And we've been together for 15 years this year. I think it is 15, and we've been married for 4 going on 5, so we were like in no rush to get married. And I'm so grateful that we were on the same page with that, because when we got married it was absolutely perfect. Like it was so perfect for us, it was a perfect timing for us. And then 2 years later we welcomed our son, and now we have a son. So so yeah, long story medium, you know. I think that a lot of people, I've gotten some questions before, like that do think that I create content full time. I do not. I have this battle where like it seems like I'm a content creator, but I'm not. I don't feel like I'm a content creator, and I've used the term content creator to describe myself before as well, but I'm trying to find like the right words, because, and the reason why is because a friend of mine asked me like, oh, you know, is it expensive, you know, like to create content and stuff like that? And I was like, you know, like, what do you mean, is it expensive, you know, like to do hauls and all that type of stuff? And I was like, oh, well, I don't go out of my way to create content, if that makes sense. So I know I'm like on a tangent since I'm like in the car by myself, but yeah, like I don't go out of my way to do things that are not natural to my household already. So things that you guys see is literally because I'm doing it. But I say all of this to say I'm a regular old girl, y'all. I'm a regular wife and mom who has a full-time job and tries to keep her family happy and tries to keep herself happy, and her, you know, that's really it. That's it. So, you know, I appreciate y'all being on the journey with me, and I totally appreciate, you know, the love, the support, and watching the channel.
The light hit me a little bit better, babe. So we are at the house, as you can see. We just put up all the groceries. Well, we're wrapping up. And yeah, it's been an eventful day, should say the least, right?
Or like a not so eventful day at work.
Yeah, so so basically put the groceries up, and we're actually about to decorate the Christmas tree. You know? So we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree. We'll probably eat a little bit of dinner. I actually made some, so shout out to HEB, Meal Simple.
Oh, I love my HEB.
As you can see, this is like a it's a chicken bacon mac and cheese. We just picked that up, in the groceries.
When I was at curbside.
Yeah, when Britt was at curbside. So basically,
Can I stir it up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello? Me? Hello?
This is my channel.
Oh.
Nobody felt like cooking. HEB makes it very easy. I just pop this thing in for 5 minutes. Boom, we got dinner. So
which I'm so shocked he put it in the microwave. There must only be a microwave option because Bear is an oven user.
I'm an oven guy, but it only had microwave options. So yeah, she is correct. Yeah, so we're about to eat dinner and then we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree.